Shea butter, baby. Hey.
Woo. They take off them, I don't know why I'm inside with the shades on. I mean, that's just what you got to do, man. Right now, if you out there social distancing, we all know what's going on, man. I hope y'all are staying safe, healthy, doing what you can to protect yourself and your family, all of that, man. And if you're in the house, going crazy, don't really have nothing to do, hopefully this review can bring you just a little bit of entertainment. What's good with it? It's your kinfolk Dookie back again with Bang, budget and new gear reviews to help you get the best bang for your tech dollars. And let me give you a little secret. Sometimes when doing this channel, I kind of wish I didn't come with the whole budget imprint. Like, I wish I didn't make that a part of the channel's title. I made it budget and new gear so that I could do budget stuff and all types of new gear that may be more expensive. But today, right here, is one of the reasons why I love bringing you guys budget tech, the Impal M30s. I do not know how Impal makes any money, man. They are putting out products consistently that swing way above their price range. Now, you may remember a video I did here with the lovely Vanglorious Jehovah. Drop a cookie emoji down below in the comments. When I got those headphones, they were cheap looking, standardized, regular looking, Big Lots type headphones. I was like, these are gonna be trash, wasting my time. And honestly, it was the sound blew us away. We couldn't believe that they sounded that good for that cheap. Now, once again, it's not audiophile quality. You're not going to go out and try to compare them to $400, $500 headphones, but they sounded pretty damn good. Let me take these out of my ear because I feel like I'm screaming at y'all. These are the Impal M30s. Now, let me say something real quick. Shout out to the homie Antoine. Other people have like compared to these to like Galaxy Bud comparisons or whatnot. I'm not gonna do that because I've never tried a pair of Galaxy Buds, so I can't tell you if they compare to a Galaxy Bud or not. All I can say is for $40, $39.99 as they have right up here, it's a steal. I don't know how they're doing it. Let's talk about it. As you can see, these are out of the box because, I've been jamming to these. I've been listening to them nonstop for the last couple of days. I got these. I wasn't really expecting much. I hadn't heard nothing about them at the time. I was just like, another pair of budget earphones or truly wireless earbuds, man. But I like these almost more than any that I've tried, especially in that budget range. And I've liked some of those budget earbuds that I've tried, man, especially like the Earfun. What is it? The Earfun Free. I really like those earbuds, man. I like these even more. There was a couple other different ones. I haven't tried that many. I'm not no El Jefe or my man Antoine. Those guys are who you want to go to. They're the real like professionals with this, man. I'm just a homie talking to you about some tech. This is a nice slim case. Fits easily in your pocket, not a lot of bulge. You don't feel like, what is this sticking out of my pocket when you rock these? Another thing that this has is Type-C. Type-C all of the things. So now I can use the same cable that I charge my phone with. I love that. Another thing that I like is that these have mono and stereo sound, meaning that if you want to use just one earphone, either one, it doesn't matter. At any time, you could just take one out, put it back in the case and still rock out with the other earphone, which I do a lot. They also say these are waterproof, so if you're gonna be out there sweating, working out, that's cool. IPX7, I believe. It's Bluetooth 5 and it has a bunch of different profiles. I'm not gonna go through them, man. I'm gonna leave a link down below so you can check out the pricing and all the added specs that you are interested in if you care about like aptX and this, that, and the third. All I can say is, at the end of the day, the thing that I love the most about these is that they sound so damn good. Like, I'm not playing with you. I'm not trying to hype it up. I'm not here just trying to sell you something, man, because honestly, I don't care if you buy them or not. I just really like these headphones the way they sound. That kind of blew me away. That was really what it was. I had it here for a couple days. It was just sitting there. I had other things I was working on. I said, let me just pop these in while I do some work over here. And fam, I loaded up my Amazon HD playlist, which I'll leave down below. And I mean, what was the first song that I listened to? Sade, No Greater Love. Now, any of my old heads or real R&B fans, you gotta know about this song right here, man. It's just, it has like a mix of like a great chill vibes, you know, the instrumentation, and then her voice just cuts across. It's almost like haunting and soothing, and it's a lot going on. And one thing I was amazed by, I don't know if it was simulated, I don't know what they're going on, but the sound stage was actually pretty good. Like I swear instruments were panned wide, and I could really pinpoint what was coming from the left side versus what was coming with the right side. And that don't usually happen too much with earbuds. Usually that's something reserved for like open back over ear headphones to get that kind of sound stage. It really was, man. And then the clarity in the mid range with the vocals, man. I love music, especially singing, great rapping. And I want to hear those vocals cut through, man. I want to hear what somebody has to say. Maybe it's because I'm an artist myself, but I know we put so much emphasis on the beat, but those artists have something to say, man, and I want to be able to hear it. And music was just, vocals was just shining, coming through so clean with these headphones. And then the bass. I mean, I don't know. If you like bass, if you like a little bit of thump, I won't say these are like bass head, or, you know, they're not going to rival something like those Sony headphones with the bass notch or anything, but just that clean, low end thump that I was getting out of these, I was like, yo, what is happening? Like, whatever magic that they're using over at Impal to bring you this at this price, fam, let's I don't know what else to tell you, man. Another bonus of these, that if you're a person who really likes that, is that they have the touch features. So you have USB Type-C, and you have touch controls, which a lot of people like. But that's got to be one of the things that I don't like specifically about these. And it's not really just about these, but it's a lot of earbuds. I don't know if it's just my big misshapen hands, but I can never really get touch controls to work. So if you have both headphones in your ears, you press either side once, that'll play and pause the music. Or if you double tap on the right side, that should change the song forward. Double tap on the left side, that should change the song back. And if you press and hold on the right side, that turns the volume up. You press and hold on the left side, turns the volume down. And those two, to turn the volume down and the press and hold, I could just never really master. That's just what happened to me. Your mileage may vary. And secondly, another thing that I don't like, and this has happened to me on some headphones as well, is that when you put the earbud back into the case, you really got to make sure that it lines up and turns off. I put it in here thinking, you put it in here, close the case, it's going to turn off and your phone is going to disconnect. And I was trying to make a call and I couldn't figure out where the audio was going to. Audio was being played to these somewhere across the room. And I was like, what is happening? How are these even connected with them being in the case and having the case closed? But something that was just something weird that happened to me like once or twice, to where they just didn't line up perfectly when I put them back in the case and closed. So I had to kind of fiddle with them just to make sure they turn off. That way you save the battery, you're not running out of battery, because I actually ran the battery down. You know, those things are kind of nitpicky. That's a case-by-case variance. Honestly, you may never have those issues at all. So I've told you everything that I like and do not like about these headphones. And fam, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna leave a link down below because they're really cheap. I said at the time that I'm making this video, they were $39.99. There actually is a coupon that if you click that on Amazon, it should take some money off as well to make these $30. And at $30, I don't care what you compare them to. These are smoking it. You're gonna have to show me. You're gonna have to show me. So you've seen the title, man, and shout out to everybody that checks these videos and shows me love. I want to give a little bit of love back. You see that I got two. This is my pair. You can't have this pair, but this pair you could totally have. One, you gotta leave a comment on this video right here. Secondly, I just released my new setup series video, share dope setups using the inspiration that I get every day looking at dope PC battle stations and bringing that to you guys to hopefully inspire you, to give you some ideas for your next gaming battle station PC setup. Now what you got to do is I'm gonna leave a link to that video down below. It'll also be right here. You can go click on that, go leave a comment on there. So if I see that you left a comment on both videos, I'll do a random drawing, contact you, hopefully, and I apologize, hopefully you're in the US, because with everything going on right now, I don't know how I'm gonna get these out to you, but trying to send them out overseas, I just can't do it at this moment. For my overseas fans, we will have something coming at a later date. Well, that's the least I could do to try to help out in these trying times. It's your kinfolk Dookie. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and never forget to holler at your boy.